Boy, do I have an update for you. Do you remember in my last reel where I showed you what I still think is a pretty good hack to move 100-pound sheets of MDF up onto your worktop? Well, Rockler reached out and told me what I really needed was their Material Mate cart, and boy were they right. Let me show you how this bad boy works. Look how great this is. But wait, there's more! It doesn't get any easier than that. But I still am gonna use these furniture dollies for my last reel because I really did find it helpful to put them underneath the MDF in order to move it around into position onto my worktop before setting it down. Because I'm in the workshop by myself, this is an investment I'm really stoked about. And I'm gonna let it double as my in-feet, out-feet table on my saw stop.